What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to another day and another freaking headache over here at Auto Auction Rebuilds. Have you ever heard the saying, when it rains, it pours? Well, it's raining, it's pouring, and the city is trying to shut me down. I mean, again? Are you kidding me? Yep, the city has determined that I am committing a crime. And they even went so far as to attach the notice with this bright red tape, just to let me know how serious they are. So basically what this says is that I am in violation of city ordinances and that it is a criminal offense. I have 10 days from the 22nd to remove all of these cars from the property, according to them. 10 days. Otherwise, I'm going to face a $750 fine. I could be facing a misdemeanor charge that could put me in jail. That's what literally the paper says that. It says I could be jailed and I could face fines along with other assessments by the city. So, so what does that mean? That means all this stuff has got to go. Which further makes me just not want to even. Del City honestly sucks. Well, I'm not going to get too. I'm going to try to keep it family friendly here on the channel. So, yeah, just leave it at Del City sucks. Let's leave it at that. Huh. Almost looks like this thing is moved. Yeah, it does look like this thing has moved. Yeah, something is not the same with that. Interesting, I'll have to check that out. Oh yeah, this trailer has moved. This trailer's been moved significantly this direction. Sure has. Looks like someone may have tried to nab it again. But they didn't get away with it this time, did they? No, sir. Yeah, this is just ridiculous, guys. It's like every time I turn around, somebody is trying to screw with me, and I don't know what to do about it. I really don't. I don't know what we're going to do about it. I'm not sure there really is anything I can do about it. Definitely nothing I can do about this. You know, this. It never ends, man. It never ends. We got to get all these cars out of here. So I guess I'm gonna have to holler at Mike. We're gonna have to put the freaking truck to work because the F-150 is out of here today, and the 2500 was gone yesterday. So, and I'm waiting on a TBI unit for this. So I got 10 days. I'll talk to Mike and see if there's some way we can work something out where I can get some of these cars down to him. It sucks, but it is what it is. I'm gonna have to figure out some way of keeping. Is that a worm swimming in the water? What the hell? Where did you come from, dude? Can you see this? Hold on. Look at this. This dude, out of nowhere, in the middle of my concrete floor, swimming underwater. If he's a little bigger, I'd take him fishing. So anyway, the city is trying to shut me down. There's obviously nothing I can do about it. I got to move these cars. I don't really understand, though, because this is like a shop, and this is a commercially zoned area. You know, how I see mechanic shops everywhere that have like 30, 40 cars all over their yard, all over their lot that they're working on. How do they manage to stay in business? But I can't have like 8 cars on my property. I'm completely at a loss. I'm gonna get out of this water. I'm standing in water here. I'm completely at a loss as to how all these other places can have all these cars broken down in their shops, but I can't do it here. You know, it's ridiculous, but it is what it is. There's nothing we can do about it. So I guess I do want to keep the shop. I mean, it is cheap here. It's going to be hard to find another place this cheap, right? So we're going to try to keep the shop if we can. And if not, worst case scenario, where we go back to the house. And that's a pretty worst case scenario for me, because after having this lift, like, I'm spoiled. And it's gonna suck to have to do everything on the ground again, on the concrete again, and I'm not gonna be able to have all these cars at my house either. So it looks like we're just gonna have to do like one car at a time. So I'm gonna have to try to get these things down to Mike, if he'll let me put them there. I hope he will, because otherwise I really don't know what I'm gonna do. And I guess we just have to go from there. And I'll tell you something, one of the things that I really love about this shop is I just uploaded the Copart walk around video. It's an hour and 44 minutes long. It's 30 gigabytes big, and it uploaded, because we have fiber optic internet here, it uploaded literally in 15 minutes. We got almost 400 megs up and 400 megs down. So at home, a video like this could take a couple days, and that's with Cox. 30 megs up and a gig down. It could take a couple days with Cox, but I bring it over here and it's instantaneous, man. 15 minutes, you got a 30 gig video uploaded. It takes 15 minutes to upload it. It takes YouTube over an hour to process it. You know what I mean? So, yeah. So I guess that's gonna be it for the video. I know this one is short. There's not a whole lot to talk about other than I came to the shop with a notice on the door, and I figured I'd make a dedicated video to it so I could get dedicated comments from you guys. I could have thrown this in with another video because this one's so short, but I really wanted dedicated comments on this video from you guys about what you think about the damn notice on the shop. What do you think I should do? I mean, do you think we should keep the shop because it's cheap, or do I need to be looking for another place, or do I just need to go back home? Honestly, I kind of can't imagine going back home and working out of my garage again after having a space like this that I can work in, you know, freely, come and go as I want, the fast internet for uploading videos. So I really don't feel like leaving the shop is an option, but we got to figure something out. So comment below and tell me what you think. Maybe some of you know more than I do about this whole legal situation. How do auto repair facilities get away with having 30, 40, 50 cars on their lot, all in disrepair, and I can't have 8? I don't get it. I don't get it. They're gonna make this real complicated. It's gonna make it a lot more difficult. We're gonna continue on though, because there's one thing I'm used to in life, and that is it knocking me down. I'm always getting kicked and knocked to the ground, and I always get back up. And until the day I die, I always will. I refuse to let life beat me, man. And you know what? Here's the thing: when it comes to life, guys, you don't really get a choice. You know, crap happens, and you just got to deal with it and move on, because the only other option, as my dad always said, he said, your only other option, boy, is to die. Well, death isn't an option for me. You know, at least if I can control it anyway, not an option for me. So we're just going to continue on. Carry on, wayward son. I appreciate y'all being here. Comment below. Give the video a like. If you don't follow me on Instagram, please follow me. It's Auto Auction Rebuilds on Instagram. You'll see stuff there before you see it here on YouTube. Thank you all very much. Stay safe out there. Enjoy this crappy weather. I'll catch you all very soon in the next one.